Another thing we can discuss is always naming your website. When you name your website, it will reflect directly up in the tab when you open it. Instead of having your name, I'm going to put, for example, Rawan's Digital Portfolio. You could also add a logo if you want. So I'm going to upload the logo and the favicon. Once you add the logo, it directly shows you the colors that have been used in this logo. This could be your theme. So you could choose from these colors to make it your theme for the website. And then the colors will adjust based on the logo. This is helpful over here. It will help you synchronize between the colors. And you can upload also a favicon. I'm going to choose 1, 2. Here we go. So since we are in settings and we have added already a logo and the name of my website has been reflected over here, I'm going to show you some of the tips over here. You have the navigation. So this is from the settings here. It has the navigation. So I could choose either I want my menu to be at the top or on the side like that. So that's your option. The color could be transparent, so it could be transparent over here. I'm going to make it at the top. Or you could actually choose white or black. So now it's black. In brand images, we already put our logos and favorites.